Sheet metal parts are everywhere, and whether you're looking for a one-off prototype or batch production, our in-house, high-quality sheet metal processing is a fantastic choice for complex parts from aluminiums, coppers, steels in as little as 5 days. At HLH, we use a combination of advanced equipment and manual manufacturing techniques to realize high-quality sheet metal parts. Our in-house processes include laser and water jet cutting, advanced bending for enclosures and brackets, and also assembly processes such as welding, riveting, and the installation of fasteners. Once your part is complete, we can apply a massive range of post-process finishes, things like anodizing, powder coating, painting, and so on. Sheet metal parts often undergo multiple processes, so we maintain rigorous in-process and 100% outgoing QC checks to make sure that your parts meet your specifications. Need custom sheet metal parts for your next project? Send your CAD through to info@hlhrapid.com or get in touch on the website, and one of our team will get back to you within 24 hours with a quote. HLH, we make things for you.